Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
First, use the Alexa app to connect to the Amazon speaker. Click on the symbol in the top right corner to add a device. First option, Add device. Amazon Echo. Select your equipment. Set your Amazon speaker to pairing mode.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Waiting for connection.
Your Echo is ready.
The speaker has appeared in the device options, indicating successful pairing. Change the name of the device you want to control. Next, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi phone light using the Smart Life app. Use 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Select Alexa for binding in the top right corner. Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, turn off the fan.